Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make the Bengali Mourala or Mola fish fry in a novel way. I have named the recipe Mourala Alu Bhaja and it is really tasty. Here I have a plate of Mourala or Mola fish. As you can see, they are really tiny fish. Most of their heads have been removed and they don't have any scales. They are actually adult fish and not small fish. Here I have one with the head on, and as you can see, it's really tiny fish. Let's marinate the fish with 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder or holud, red chili powder or lonka, salt according to your taste, ginger powder, and a bit of mustard oil. Mix the spices into the fish well. And that's our Mourala Mach marinated. The other ingredients for this recipe are some chopped coriander, slit green chilies, crushed ginger, sliced onions, and 1 grated potato. Heat some mustard oil in a frying pan. Then add some kalo jeera or nigella seeds into the pan. Let them sizzle slowly. And after a few seconds, add the crushed ginger and slit green chilies into the pan, followed by the sliced red onions. And fry them for a couple of seconds. And then add the grated potato into the pan. And fry everything together for 2 minutes. Then add a bit of salt to the potatoes and keep stirring the pan. Now it's time to add the Mourala fish into the pan. And keep on frying the fish with the potatoes till the fish is well fried and crispy. This will take at least 4 to 5 minutes. You can see that the water is coming out of the fish and the fish is frying nicely. Now it's time to add the chopped coriander leaves into the pan and fry everything together for a minute. Add a few dashes of lime juice if you wish and blend it in. And our delicious Mourala Alu Bhaja is done. And it's ready to be plated up. That looks delicious. Garnish with a sprig of coriander and serve this very Bengali fish recipe with rice. I wanted to jazz up the traditional Mourala Mach Bhaja with a few more ingredients to make it into a bigger and tastier dish, and so the Mourala Alu Bhaja was born, the perfect match of Alu Bhaja and Mach Bhaja together. Give it a try and enjoy.